na kanyang day 2000 nga Pasko na December. Una, awang pinalawan sa anak ko, pagbayad ako para sa kuryente ko na. Uwan mama ko na naman. Dagdagan dyan yung lulo na bread. Pagbaybayad mo kami sa kwartak, kaya mo talang sa aktarupang pinagdaan. Iman. Umuray no ka sa pinagkukunan ng tubig. Kaya po, ilan ang sakla sa piman. Ingana na grade 1, grade 6. High school. Before this ang subrot, dapat kami matang na uniform na. Dapat may pinadahit ni Lydia Ruiz na kapsa ni Apo Rube. At pinalpas kayo yung pa nakadahit na dunyamin me. Hindi ko na unsawa mo na ko. Tadi isurukin kang kahapon ulitin nun. Yung buksan na. Hindi na maganda yung uniform na inaimak na bilang sa dagdag ulitin ko na. Kasi nga po Diyos ingga na nag-gradual, iti high school ingga na ita. Hangko ngayon ulit iti nagklamsa. Hindi pa hindi naman! Wala ko dapat na iti ako siya sa repeso. Kaya din sulit pinitang na ingga na ita kasi niya iyam-yamanat launay itatang 18th birthday na ada kayong email na tinagtanggay mo. Isumlat sumut di may kaleti amana na isumut yung sumublat na ako. Thank you very much.
Now may we have the second candle. May we have the second candle to Kimberly Sibukao.
Good evening, everyone. Well, you are another year older and you haven't changed a bit. That's great. You are perfect the way you are. You are my friend. You are always there for me, supporting me, encouraging me, listening to me, and all those other things that friends do. On this special day, I wish you all the very best, all the joy you can ever have, and may you be blessed. Happy birthday, Ate.
Now may we have the third candle to Avian Alessandra Subukao. Avian. Happy birthday, Ate. I love you. Now we have the fourth candle to April Dumlan.
Happy birthday, Ate. Since you're now at your legal age, you can now do all what you want and maybe those things. Having you is a blessing because it's hard to find a good and special friend like you. Sorry kung may nagawa man ako na ikinasama na loob. Thank you for being my friend since grade 2. And I will keep and treasure you for my entire life. I wish you good health, guidance, and love. Take care of yourself. Study well. Belated happy birthday.
Thank you, April.
On your 18th year, I wish you all the best in life. 18 years have passed, and I know you had some challenges that you have successfully overcome. I hope that you will remain strong in whatever challenges you may encounter in the future. Always remember that I will be here if you need help. I also pray that continue to be happy. Another year was added, and I know many changes will happen. But our friendship will never change. As you also enter another chapter of your life, may you continue to dream and may you also succeed. I wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by. And I wish you the perseverance to live your life to the fullest. I wish you all the best and belated happy 18th birthday.
Thank you, Glory May. Now we have Mabel Sibukaw.
Guys, hindi tagin sa kay Labi.
Happy birthday, Ate.
I love you.
Now we have Miss Helen Grace Padayaw.
Nakabayan ni ate.
Stacy, choose your memory as you grow old. But I say, forget about the past and live life to the fullest. And because this day is a special and memorable day to you, my friend, I'll make this day the toast and you make the boast. May your birthday and every day be filled with the warmth of sunshine, the happiness of smiles, the sound of laughter, the feeling of love, and the sharing of good cheer. I wish you all the best joys, all the joys you can ever have, and may you have blessed abundantly today, tomorrow, and the days to come. Happy birthday, Joy, my friend. Wish you all the best and study well.
Thank you. Then we have Angelica Pagala.
May the years continue to be good to you, and wishing the great things in life. Happy birthday, Joyce, good health, and beautiful inside and outside.
Now we have Leslie Ranada.
Happy birthday, Joyce. May all your wishes and dreams turn to reality. And thank you for all the happy moments. Again, happy birthday.
Then we have Maria Angelica Libel.
Hoping that day will be as special as you are. Count your life by smile, not by tears. Count your age. Count your age by smile, not by tears. I'm so glad you were born because you brightened my life and lifted it with joy. May the years continue to be good. Happy birthday, Joyce, and thank you for the happy memories as well.
Thank you. Now we have Sheena Aisen Sulisipan.
Baby, happy birthday and birthday to Kate. Take care always and wish you all the best and
Emotional. Now we have Angelica Tizon.
Pwede ko.
18th birthday, Joyce. Thanks for being a good friend to us, especially to me. Sorry kung may mga nagawa man kaming kasalanan sa'yo, pero lagi mong tatandaan na mahal na mahal ka namin. Stay hot and sexy. Happy birthday.
Sexier. Okay. Now we have the 13th candle by Angie May Ubias.
Happy birthday, Joyce. Thank you for being a good friend. And take care always.
Now we have Marinel Manglalan.
I know we've been together for almost 2 years, and because of it, I'm so happy and glad. Because I've been once a part of your life, but more than that, you're being consider me as one of your real friends. Hope you will not change those kind dreams, honey dreams that you have. Stay beautiful, stay sexy. Happy 18th birthday, George.
Now we have the 15th candle to Jeneline Gamo.
Life is just starting to roll out for you. Grab every opportunity that knocks at your door and make sure that while you are young, you try to make a difference for yourself and the world. I wish you all the luck in the world for all your future endeavors. Happy 18th birthday, Joyce.
Thank you. Now we have the 16th candle, Charmaine Clemente.
I hope that on this milestone of your life, not only you get a lot of presents and get greetings from all the people you love, but I hope you also get an eye-opener that you have your whole life ahead of you. I wish you gain a sense of responsibility so you can make the most out of life. Happy birthday, Joyce.
Now we have the 17th candle, Miriam Sibukao.
Happy birthday, Joyce. We love you.
And last but not the least, the 18th candle by Baby Lon Sibukao.
Lagi mo ng
Happy birthday, Joyce. Amo yung reto ikaw, babe. Hindi na ako pinay kamang. Kasi, medyo nagre-read ang hindi mama. Si KJ Badur at Jay Cabinet. Siguro, isla amin. Gusto na ako. Sunod ako may permit. Gusto na. Kasi medyo moody isuna. Kamamayo habang bumaybayag ka mamamoy isuna, nagpintas kayang tiugali na. Nakailayo. Ngayon galing na takang kuha. Nalintas nagta.